Nick Rudder for the McKees 37 Trademark Garage. Hydro Blue has taken the detailing world by storm thanks to its innovative spray-on, rinse-off application that blankets your vehicle with a slick, glossy shell that lasts upwards of 3 to 4 months. Well, the Hydro Blue Quick Clean and Coat Kit contains the essential components to get the best results if you're brand new to this unique way to protect your vehicle. Step number 1 is McKees 37 Extreme Iron Remover. You spray this product on before you wash, and it breaks up and dissolves iron particles that are embedded in the paint. Now you may be wondering, is my vehicle plagued by iron contamination? And the answer is yes, every car is. So you spray it on, let it dwell, it changes colors as it dissolves the iron particles. Then you're gonna wash the vehicle as you normally would using McKees 37 SiO2 Auto Wash. Now to save time during the detailing process, you can use universal detailing clay with the wash. So you're gonna dunk your clay bar in the wash bucket, you're gonna rub it over the surface, and it's gonna remove bonded contaminants, leaving the paint silky smooth so you get even better results from Hydro Blue. After you've performed those steps, working one panel at a time, hold Hydro Blue in one hand and your hose nozzle in the other. You're going to spray Hydro Blue on and you're immediately going to rinse off. Now it doesn't take a whole lot of product, only 2 to 3 sprays per panel. For glass, 1 spray tops, and it's important that you immediately rinse it off. Spray on, rinse off, boom. Move on to the next panel, and before you know it, you'll be completely finished and your vehicle will be slick, extremely shiny, and water will hit it and just roll off. Dry it, pull it in the garage, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Your vehicle is well protected for any environment. I'm Nick Rudder for the McKees 37 Trademark Garage.